Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Scratch tutorial how to move 10 steps blocks. So we have this example sprite, and in this tutorial I will use these motions move 10 steps. So you can go to events and click when flag click. The next use the forever, and I will use if then. Go to sensings. So we use the key press in it. Like I will use the W, and then you can use the motions move 10 steps. So if you play the program, it will be move 10 steps if you press the W. And to rotate, the best way to use the turn in here. Like example, I will copy this operations, and then I will change key into D. We set in here. We can move turn 15 degree to the right, and then press again in here into A to move turns 15 degree to the left. So if you combine, you can play, and then W, you can press the D to move to the right, or press A to move to the left. So it we can controlling in here. You can change again move tips, like I will set into 5, slow speed like this. Okay, you can moving, and if you want to down, you can duplicate again, and I will set into D S, sorry, for this key, and then we use the movings -5. So if you press against the S, it will be go back here. Okay, you can W move, and then press D to turn to the right, and left you can press A button. Okay, that's it for basic Scratch tutorial how to use move 10 steps block.